In this case, we have 5 stations. The first station is the load and unload station. That means the operator can load new DOTs or unload the good DOTs. The second station is the testing station. With this station, we have the possibility to test everything the customer wants in the specification. Most time this is the function test, and with this function test we can perform different testing, something like current measurements or voltage measurements. And then after that we have the third station, that's a laser marking. For this we can mark different parts from the DOT. We can mark the serial number, date, whatever, it depends. The fourth station is a printing station, inkjet printing. This is the same like the laser printing, just a different way to print. So station 5 is a double station, you can say. In this station we check if the marking from the laser or the inkjet is good or not. And we also have an NEO band where the bad parts will be placed or unloaded, and the good parts will continue to station 1, so the operator can unload them.